Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, a lot of times, feelings of loneliness can often increase because of the pressures of this time of year, because of the season. So having this understanding can actually help you, help me, help us to work through how it is that we're feeling. So today on Daytime Live, we have some tips that hopefully can help you to fight back the feelings of loneliness for this season.
The first one is you can create your own perfect Christmas. Now, your Christmas doesn't have to mirror the public perception of a perfect Christmas. Now, in the lead up to the holiday, just think about what makes this time of year special for you and plan your day around that. For example, instead of turkey and all the trimmings and the oxtail and the curry goat, and cook your own favorite meal, even if it's rice and mackerel.
Gobble, gobble. Well, this is my favorite one.
That's your favorite meal?
This one is my favorite one that we're going to talk about, planning the new year.
Yeah.
So spend your time just over the season planning, your goals, your aims, your systems, your strategies for the next year. You want to ask yourself a few questions, and the questions are unlimited, but one of them could be, what milestones do you want to achieve for the upcoming year or the upcoming new season of your life? Then you can wonder, which ones are personal, which ones are work-related. For example, a personal one could be, do you want to be more active, And it's not about weight loss, but just to be more active. And is there any way you could also just take some small steps towards the goals that you want to kind of list out? And then working towards a goal, it will help with some distraction, and it can boost your mental health too. Yeah.
Something you can also try, instead of focusing on yourself, you can focus on others. What do I mean? Volunteer. You can volunteer for a charity or an organization that you're passionate about, and supporting people less fortunate than yourself is an incredibly rewarding experience, and one that can help you appreciate the positives in your life. It can also help you connect with others and do something good, which can also make you feel good in the process.
Yes. This one is also a favorite of mine. Practicing self-care. Yeah. A lot of times it is good not to focus on self and you volunteer, but sometimes it's also good to kind of focus on self in terms of, just taking care of yourself if you're feeling lonely. So what you want to do is look after yourself. You want to pamper yourself. If you're somebody who feels relaxed when you take a long bath, you take a long bath, you meditate, you exercise, you do like a facial, like a hand shal, like a foot shal yourself, and so
body shal,
body shal, all of them. I love that. Yeah, you do little lashes at home. Clearly, I'm talking to the females, right? But the males, you can do it too. Do like a face scrub, take care of yourself a little bit. Shave up.
Play Call of Duty.
Okay, that's one way. Yeah, but you just really just spend some time taking care of you. That really can help.
Yeah, it works. Sometimes just leave the house. Go outside, spend some time in nature. It provides a vitamin D boost, and it reduces anxiety and increases social interaction. Now, the outdoors offers new experiences such as sights, smells, and a sense of awe, which contributes to feelings of expansiveness. So, get wrapped up, go exploring this festive season, and we hope these can help you.
Yes, I remember to wear mosquito repellent.
When
you go into nature. I went for a walk in nature, and mosquito bite me up.
Which nature did you go to?
And it's at Portmore. I did not go to Portmore.
Which nature did you go to?
I went walking, and when I finish, if you ever see my skin right now, mosquito, remember the repellent.
They walk too slow.
I was jogging a little.
If they jog,
they attacked me. I was told that mosquitoes love the blood, O positive blood type. Yeah.
Actually, they're more attracted to heat.
Right? So I'm very hot then. Got you.
No.
Thank you for confirming that.
Or where you're going to have some mosquito bush.
You have any shout-outs?
Mosquito bush.
You have somebody that you want to say? You missed
big shout-out to, Shelly and Fries. Shelly and Fraser Price. Shelly and Fries. Let's mix up everything. Happy birthday. Today celebrating her birthday. Happy belated birthday to Everaldo Creary, a.k.a. Evie, a.k.a. Mr. Pukupu. Yesterday was his birthday, so I have to say.
Yesterday was Johan Blake's birthday.
Johan Blake, yes, the beast.
Why will you people born December, man?
Whole heap of people, which means that Easter was,
Dessa's birthday was last week.
which
so-
means Easter was.
Oh my. So remember to check on your loved ones. Yes, support each other as a community, because I see where Dufton is going with this, and I'm not
Easter.
going there with you.
Easter.
So it's the season still.
Lent.
New Year coming up. Whatever it is that you plan to do for New Year's Eve, make sure that you're safe. And make sure that you are looking out for yourself and each other. I go to that church where you do New Year's Eve, real quick.
I don't know, I'm not sure yet.
Yeah?
I'm not sure.
Well, we still have daytime live every Tuesday, every Friday. So we're live next week. So remember, just show up 32 Lyndhurst Road by 12:15, latest 12:30, so you can be seated and be a part of the studio audience for
yes.
daytime live next week, Tuesday and Friday.
Yeah.
Yes. Chat, buzz, vibe, mix, everything. What you have to say?
When you're outside, put on mosquito repellent. I
Yes,
get bite
please
up like
do.
Sunny.
Especially if you go Portmore.
Stay safe.
Yeah. Like.